Today we are making a creamy garlic shrimp fettuccine. Super simple, easy ingredients today. We got some garlic, about 6 cloves. Got some shallots. We have some vegetable broth. You could use wine or something else. We got some chopped basil. We got some chopped tomatoes for the end. We got some fresh parsley. We also have a can of tomato sauce and a half a cup of cream. Then we have our shrimp, of course, and our linguine. Cook the linguine according to the package. Add in some olive oil once your pan's nice and hot. And then we're going to saute the garlic and the shallots. I'm going to actually do them both at the same time. You can start off with the shallots if you like, and then add the garlic about a minute later. I find since I diced them up pretty small, it's fine just to do it both together. And this was a small shallot. Then we just wanted to go ahead and saute this for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, we'll go ahead and add our shrimps in. I did remove the tails. That's for less irritation when trying to eat a pasta. I don't know about you, but I do not like having to remove tails while I'm eating a pasta. And go ahead and cook these until you start seeing them turn pink, and then we're going to flip them. Once they start turning, go ahead and give them a flip. Don't forget to season them with a little bit of salt and pepper. Let's go ahead and add in our broth or white wine, whatever you choose to use. Just gonna let this sit for about a minute so they don't turn into rubber. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out all the shrimp. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the tomato sauce, and then we want to give this a good mix. And if you want to do something even simpler, you could always pick your favorite pasta sauce and you can just add that in instead. But I do prefer to do it this way. Once you get that nice and stirred, go ahead and add in some of your basil. We're going to add in most of it. I'm going to give that a stir, and then we're going to let this cook for a few minutes, let those flavors kind of mingle, let the tomato sauce thicken a little bit. After it's had a chance to cook a little bit, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get that heavy cream added in. I'm just going to slowly whisk it in here. Go ahead and give that a good mix. It should get more of a pinkish colored sauce once you're done. And then what we want to do is we want to let this cook for a few minutes, kind of reduce down a little bit. If you like a little bit of heat, you can go ahead and add in a little bit of chili flakes. And the sauce is getting pretty close to being done right here. After a couple minutes, go ahead and add your shrimp back in. Give them a nice little coating in the back. Go ahead and add in some of your parsley. Next, go ahead and add your pasta in. Just give it a good stir and a couple tosses and you'll be good to go. Go ahead and add our fresh tomatoes in at this time. You just want to go ahead and get these nice and mixed in. Next, we're going to go ahead and just plate up. I got these nice new pasta bowls from Dowan. Thank you, Dowan, for sending these to try out. There we go. It's pretty much a simple pasta. Go ahead and add a few extra shrimps on there. Going to add in some of that fresh basil right on top. A little bit of that parsley. We'll go ahead and add some shaved Parmesan right on top. there you go. There's our simple shrimp pasta dish. We'll go ahead and give this a try here. I'd have to say this is heaven. Definitely don't skip out on the garlic. I like lots of garlic. Like I said, 6 cloves is what I used for this one. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. Subscribe, like, comment below.